Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be sharing my tips on how to pack minimally for your next trip. Whether you're going on a weekend getaway or a month-long adventure, packing light can make your travels much more easier and can be enjoyable too. So here I am to share you some of the tips that I've learned over the years of traveling. Come along and watch the complete video to know how I pack minimally. So, the first step to minimal packing is to plan and prepare your trip. This means thinking about the activities you'll be doing, the weather you will encounter, and the length of your stay. When packing your clothes, choose versatile pieces that can be mixed and matched to create multiple outfits. This will help you save space and reduce the number of items you need to bring. Packing for layering is essential for any trip regardless of the destination. This will allow you to adjust to fluctuating temperatures and weather conditions. So that you don't have to compromise on your style. So here I have picked some of the basic clothings you might have seen them, and now I roll the clothes in order to save space and fit everything in my bag. By doing this, I can save a lot of space and add on whatever I want for the travel. You can see me through how I pack and add what all I want in this bag. Now I take the bag and keep one by one. You can see how I can fit all my 4 tops in such a small area. And I'm also taking a very thin towel. I know most of the hotels provide towels, but just in case if I need it, it is there in my bag. It's always better to carry everything that you need so that you don't panic during your travel. And this is my swimwear. If I have to get into pool or beach, just one pair of swimwear is enough for me. And now adding in 2 pairs of nightwears. You're done with your clothes, the next step is to pack your inner garments. And then pack all your toiletries in a separate wash bag. I've also added makeup remover and serum in wash bag itself, because even if the serum spills over, it is easy to clean here. Next up is makeup. I don't do heavy makeup during traveling, it's very basic, and I ordered this straightener from Amazon. It's a travel friendly, it's very small and it is convenient to use as well. I've tried it and liked it, and I also recommend you guys, if you're traveling, instead of carrying huge equipments, this is better, I feel. You can just type in travel friendly hair straighteners on Amazon and you will see a lot of it. If you want to know which one I got it, I will leave a link below, you can check it out. And then because we are going to beach, flip-flops are good to have, so I'm just carrying them. And also because this bag has a dedicated shoe compartment, so I can just put my flip-flops inside that. I can pretty much put a big size shoe, but I don't need it anyway, so I'm carrying flip-flop. So next up is some of the other important things, that is sunglasses and power bank, charger, airpods, which are very important while traveling. So everything is tucked in a pouch, so it is easy for me to take it whenever I need it and not put it in a bag and then search for it. So it is always good to have a designated pouch. And next important thing is your passport and wallet. You have to carry them wherever you go. It's just my obsession over lip balms. I just keep them everywhere. Lastly, your medicines, just in case you fall sick or you're under the weather. Carrying basic paracetamols will help you. So this is how I pack. Packing minimally doesn't mean you have to sacrifice style or comfort. With a little planning and preparation, you can easily pack everything you need for your trip without weighing yourself down. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed these tips on how to pack minimally for your next trip. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below and don't forget to like and subscribe. Happy holidays and have fun, and come back for more such videos.